saluting the Ustads whose hands shape dreams and whose spirit builds the world around us. Introducing CUMI Ustad Loyalty Program. Follow these steps to get your cashback. Step 1. Open the product pack to get the scratch card. Step 2. Scratch the coupon to see the QR code. Step 3. Scan the QR code using the Paytm app, QR code scanner app or your smartphone's camera. Step 4. Pick a language to get started. Step 5. Select your preferred cashback method. Step 6. Enter your details for cashback. You can use your Paytm registered mobile number or UPI ID. You can find your UPI ID on your Paytm, Google Pay or PhonePe app. Step 7. After entering your details, click the submit button. That's it. Your cashback is processed. CUMI Ustad Loyalty Program. असल उस्तादों को क्यूमी का सलाम. असली चॉइस के लिए क्यूमी का इनाम.